Now it's interesting to understand that encryption can actually happen at different layers of a network stack. And we go through the OSI model in telecommunications and network security. But here we're looking at that encryption can happen at different places. It can happen in an application, which I talked about, which means the data payload of a packet's encrypted. It can happen at the transport layer, which we're going to talk about, that's SSL. And that means that the data payload and some of the header information is encrypted. It can happen at the network layer, which would be like IPsec, which we're going to cover. And that would be, again, the data payload, some of the headers. And then it can happen at the data link layer, the lowest layer before it's actually turned into some type of electricity. So at the link layer, it would encrypt the whole packet. So, sometimes messages actually are encrypted at different layers and sent over, and they have to be unwrapped by a couple of different, devices or applications.